Network Entertainment.
Nahirapan po ba kayo na makipag-date? Kasi parang baka na-intimidate yung mga guys.
Yung mga
Strong
lalaki.
personality.
Alam mo ngayon, marami nagsasabi sa akin pag nag-show ako sa mga events na pang mayayaman.
Kailangan emphasis o
Oo,
pangyayaman.
ayun, di ba? Ang mga events, sila lang nakaka-afford. Ang daming lumalapit sa akin na, Mitch, had such a crush on you. Yung mga ganyan, yung ganito. Bakit hindi nyo sinabi?
Oo nga! Your loss! Nagpa-intimidate kayo.
Na-intimidate nga.
I mean, you should have told me. I'm a CEO na. I should have
Considered. CEO. I should have been a wife of a CEO.
Then I can put up my own club and have all the comedians.
Di sana pati tayo na.
Merong home. Yung mga ganon.
It's not too late.
Pwede pa naman.
Pwede pa naman. So, yun na nga. Maraming na-intimidate. Pero marami rin, ito yung secret. Marami rin na intimidate kaya ang they wanted to
Challenge.
have a hold on you. Yung mga ganon. So talagang ide-date ka, tapos noon naman pag nag-date ka, after a while, dun din papunta yun, di ba? Yung mga ganon. So parang you became a trophy
Girlfriend.
kasi girlfriend. So, that was also, it's a learning curve na, minsan magagalit ka. Pag minsan, that's when you say, it will never happen again. So, that's when you go to women's rights, di ba? Na wag ka naman masyadong, yung manggegera na hindi na maintindihan yung issue. Kasi marami babae din ngayon masyadong galit na nauuna yung galit nila, hindi na intindihan ng tao yung issue.
Anong pinanggalingan?
Oo. At saka
Ano
kung
ba talaga
yung pinaglalaban mo, yung
Oo.
ganyan-ganyan. Sa akin, respeto, wag siradong utak, at tigilan nyo na yan. At nanggagalit ako sa mga babae hanggang ngayon nagpapaapi.
Correct. Oo nga.
Naku, ayan na, lumalabas
Modern
na.
Modern age na meron pa rin. Correct.
Kasi wala silang hanap buhay. So, ang ko is kahit may asawa na kayo, magkaroon naman kayong konting hanap buhay, konting respeto sa sarili.
Correct.
Hindi naman na magiging karibal ninyo yung asawa ninyo or anything. But,
Jeline, kinig ka.
I believe in the dignity of work.
Yeah. Yeah.
Self-respect, individual, you can make your decisions. Marami dyan kasi, di ba, yung mga women's na binabalibag na left and right pero hindi maiwanan. Oo, kasi walang
para
suporta.
Sa mga bata.
Oo, para sa mga bata, walang suporta. So, galit din ang Catholic Church sa akin minsan pag
Bakit po, ma'am?
naglalaban ko yung
Kasi parang
stay in the marriage kasi noon.
No.
Pero ngayon hindi na. I go to mass every day.
no.
Siya kayo, no?
Justifying si ma'am.
Hindi, after a while kasi you get tired of all the noise outside and then there's a church there's a church beside my home. Why not So mamaya andun na yung parang bubble in peace.
Yeah. Yung mga niyo po, yung mga ideologies niyo na ganyan, yung mga concerns niyo sa tunay na buhay, do you incorporate it sa jokes?
But of course. Pero kailangan careful kasi ang dami natatapakan ng mga lalaki. Or mga minsan bumabanat ako dun sa mga nangangaliwa.
Dapat naman
Oo,
talaga.
and
Banatan
then
yun.
may joke pa nga ako na bakit kami nagpapamammogram, hirap na kami. Ang sakit-sakit. Yung mga ganyan-ganyan. Bakit kayo hindi genital mammogram din doon sa...
Pipisain niyo ito.
Oo nga.
Mabasag po ba?
Tapos,
Papamammogram.
biglang, 1 second silent.
Ganda nun. Ang ganda.
Wala, pumasok lang sa utak ko yun. Kasi I was making kwento about my mammography na,
Yeah, I hate
Masakit.
that.
oo. Tapos, sabi ko, ano kaya yung nagpa-implant ka pero ayaw mong aminin nagpa-implant ka?
Sabog ba yun?
Oo, kasi hindi nila
Silicone.
tatanungin
Oo.
ka eh, yung implants na ano. Oo, yung mga implant. Tapos pag bumaba na yung, sabi ko, shredded breast. Pero bakit ang mga lalaki hindi walang
Oo nga,
mammogram?
walang ganun.
Sabi ko gano'n. Dapat yun, yan, pag sinalampak nila yung ano nila doon, ano, tapos bababa yun,
Fake pala.
hindi nila sinabi.
Be true to yourself.
Nako, ang pinakasumasabog dyan yung mga lalaki. So, I guess it's in the delivery na rin. And then you make fun of yourself first.
Yeah.
Di ba ganun yung style?
Self-deprecation.
Oo.
Baka ano, lahat tayo actually, we start with self-deprecating
Oo
jokes.
nga eh. You make fun of yourself para hindi ka lang yung mukhang tira na tira
Yeah.
ng
Oo.
ibang ano.
Actually, that's what we try to promote nowadays, observational comedy. It's not like the other jokes before you make fun of the audience, for example.
I was
Nanlalait.
so, yeah, I was so how do you call that? So sad about that era that people went to clubs and paid to get insulted.
Oo nga. Oo nga. Parang ang weird.
Ano nangyari sa inyo? Yung mga ganyan. So again, that's what you do. You make fun of yourself.
Yeah.
But I have no intention kasi of making fun of
Those who paid for
for
to see you.
yung generic lang talaga na I talk a lot about Filipinos.
Yeah. Yeah.
Make it a common
Yeah.
ground for everybody so that it's not personalized.
Ma'am, have you experienced hecklers? Like sumasagot.
Thank God, no.
Oh.
May manners pa yung mga
Oo,
tao.
yung mga tao noon.
Eh, hindi naman kasi ako nag-comedy bar.
Mm.
Maybe that's why. Kasi
Sa theaters po kayo.
sa clubs
Or hotels.
or hotels. Oo. So, mga once or twice lang, tapos it was the audience who said, shh.
Agad.
Oo. So, parang, ini-istorbo mo kami. Kasi nag-enjoy sila. Eh, no?
Tama.
So, may isa o dalawa. Always lalaki.
Ah.
Lasing.
na
Madamang
nakainom.
lasing. Madamang
Na
lasing.
na-offend.
Hindi, na-repress yata sa bahay. So,
And it's his time to shine.
hindi pinapasalita rin. Aray ko. Tapos doon, pwede niyang ilabas ang kanyang hinanakit.
Actually, meron nag-heckle sa akin noon.
Talaga? What do you do?
Kasi yung jokes ko noon about for women.
Okay.
Tapos bigla na lang sabi ng lalaki, sabi niya, yung jokes pala nito, pang babae lang. Gumanon siya.
Ay, oo, na ano yung,
hindi naman
nasaktan yung Pinoy.
Oo, nasaktan siya. Tapos yung girlfriend niya, siya yung nag-shush sa kanya.
Ayun, dapat naman.
Buti siya, may girlfriend.
Oo. Hindi, there's, I'm not generalizing, but there's still a lot of unenlightened Filipino males kasi who find women threatening if they're not in the box that they...
They need to shut up, yeah.
Yeah.
They can control.
They cannot control.
Oo, hindi
Silence
nila
them.
maano. So, that's the one that, close your mouth, Valdez, close your mouth, close your mouth. Because you can have 1,000 comebacks to that type of, But so far, nobody's challenged me to open my mouth in that aspect. Ikaw, na-heckle ka na.
Online lang.
Online, pwede mong inaalisin na yung saksakan.
Hindi, kasi alam mo
mo
itong
na
online kasi,
Iba.
you can say anything.
Because they can hide.
Tsaka hindi nila nakita yung self-deprecating eh. Parang feel nila na
That
nanira
particular
ka
joke
lang.
only.
Just one word, tapos galit na sila.
O minsan kasi pag may nagpo-post na mga, di ba yung medyo lumalabas yung video ka hanggang Facebook lang ako no? So, may lumalabas na video clip and then I click and then I watch all the comments. bakit kayo galit na galit?
Tapos nag-aaway pa sila. Sila nag-aaway.
yung linalait na yung taong nag-post, yung ano-ano, na sabi, tingnan ko nga yung mga mukha ninyo.
Yes. Inis-isa din yung mukha.
Inis sila na, sabi ko, perfect ba kayo? Yung mga ganyan. Actually, this will be, ang unang humanga ako sa magaling dyan na walang pakialam si Chris Aquino. Kasi, hindi ba? Wala siya care. And she's not making people laugh. She just, and then, wow,
No
diba?
filter talaga si Miss Chris.
Oo, the backlash.
Yeah.
Diba? So,
May nag-resurface na video nyo lately about the joke on British news. It's so funny.
I was so shocked.
The comments?
Yeah, with Boy Abunda. I was promoting a show for Teatrino, produced by Edu Manzano of all people. And then, that is one of my materials. There's a Japanese newscaster, an Indian demonstrating how to make chili pepper paste, yung ganyan-ganyan. And then, of course, somebody says, that's very politically incorrect. Ha?
May nag-comment na ganun?
Oo, kasi hindi you're making fun daw of the Indian. But how can I put an Indian with an Indian accent? Isn't it amusing? Yung ganon. And they themselves, I've done it for an Indian audience. I tried it kasi I was invited I have an Indian neighbor na parang may bar mitzvah na Jewish taka Indian coming of age ng anak nila. And I did that joke. They liked it.
Kaya nga.
Na-offend sila para sa iba.
Sa iba.
Cultural appropriation.
Masyado sila maraming time.
Marami silang yung mga ganon.
Kaya what we do now sa Comedy Manila, what we do is may mga themed shows kami. Like, for women, parang all women yung comedians. So, we will attract mga women. So, may mga for LGBT, mga ganun. Tapos,
May mga
meron
dark
din for
comics,
dark comedy para people who going in the dark,
Alam na
in
nila.
that comedy, alam nila what to expect.
Yeah.
Hindi na yung parang,
Magugulat sila. may
magugulat
biglaan.
sila. Oh, no.
Parang
Right,
pinuntahan niyo to,
right,
na kayo
right.
mag-react ng
So,
violent
we do that
way.
kind of
I know, because I
specialties
also
para-
have material for my experience in Hong Kong. And of course, you will put on a Chinese accent.
Oo.
And then the first time, yung talagang ballroom of Chinese people. And I'm going, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit.
Yun na yung narinig.
And then, what I said was, panindigan mo yung balde. Kung hindi mo kaya gawin doon sa harap ng taong inaano mo, ini-spoof mo. Ay, natawa naman sila. It's like they learn to laugh at themselves also.
Parang either go 100% sa joke or...
Oo.
Kasi-
Which is what I can't stand about Filipinos when other countries make fun of our own, Pero lang yung nasa video na dinura yung Jollibee spaghetti na,
buti
wag mo
hindi ko
naman
nakita
isuka at idura yung aming spaghetti, no?
Huwag mo na lang i-video.
Hindi, sinadya pala niya yun eh.
Para maging viral talaga.
Oo, pero yung Filipinos have a sense of humor except about themselves.
Oo.
Di ba? Yung parang...
As a nation. Oo.
Wag.
Bigla silang...
Ganong as a nation, Hoy. Pero that's my material. I make fun of Filipinos.
Oo. Kasi marami naman talaga nakakatawa about Filipinos.
Ay, Diyos ko. And about other countries.
Oo.
Okay, meron tayong mga phone-in question.
Already,
Prepared. From Ivan Catolico, ano yung difference ng treatment sa women in showbiz noon versus sa ngayon? Yung positives and negatives po.
Naku.
Ang daming question nun.
Oo. Hindi, teka, magpa-flashback muna ako ng mga 50 years, ha? Sandali lang. Noon, kasi yung mga women comedians noon, very second-class citizen. Kasi nga, hindi sila maganda. Tapos kailangan weird sila. Tapos, clowns. Clowns ang trato na medyo bastos pa nga yung dealings sa kanila na galit ako doon. So, that's what I fought for. Respetuhin nyo yung babaeng nagpapatawa. ine-entertain ka, walang hiya ka.
Masyado na malayo na hugot.
Tapos, ngayon, gulat na gulat ako sa inyo. Kasi, hindi naman kayo, masama ang itsura. Magaganda naman ng mga itsura ninyo. Educated naman kayo, yung mga ganyan. So, malayo na ang narating ng audience ngayon doon sa trato noon. Pinaglalaban yan eh. Kasi, pag hindi mo ipaglaban, ganon na rin lagi.
Oo. Oo, kayo po yung nag-start nun eh, yung parang pumalag kayo dun sa So
Oo.
parang
Sistemang
meron na
mali.
rin kaming, nagawa nila noon. So parang, ba't hindi namin ipagpatuloy yan? Because it feels good.
Congratulations. I hope
Thank you.
nasagot ko yung caller na nagtanong yan. Kasi napakahaba. I could do a whole dissertation on that. It doesn't have to be comedians. Even as a woman,
Yeah.
huwag kayong papayag na ismolin kayo.
Tama.
Paglaban nyo. Paglaban. At meron naman pwedeng manglaban. Naku, parang EGK, nanlaban. Aray ko. Pwede naman kayong lumaban na hindi bastos.
Respectful.
Respectful.
Dignified.
Kaya wag rin kayo magbibigay ng opportunity na balahurain kayo.
Mga Immortal, listen to the Underpaid Podcast with me, Stanley Chi, wherein we talk about work-related topics in a light manner na parang nagchichismisan lang tayo or nagkukwentuhan. Listen for free on Spotify, Apple Podcast, or kung saan ka man nakikinig ng podcast. Kita-kits!
I think there was also a time in TV wherein women were used only as eye candy. Mga gag show, sketch show. But mga pa-sexy lang sila sa background.
Lalo na sa
Hindi sila yung
commercial.
nagbabato ng mga jokes.
Yung sa mga alak, ganun, di ba?
Ay,
So,
oo.
Oo. Ganun ang mundo talaga wala kang magagawa. Lalo na nung nag-bold ako. Bold talaga, bold, Nung na art film.
Yeah.
Naku, nakikita ko lahat ng mga lalaki, iba yung
Tingin sa'yo.
iba yung yung utak na gano'n.
Iniisip.
Panindigan mo.
Oo. So,
Digan mo.
before that, yung trato sa'yo before and after that.
After
mag-iiba-
Oro
The
Plata
different-
Mata.
Yeah, after the Oro Plata
Oo,
Mata.
nag-iba. Kasi just recently, a couple of days ago, there was a singer, very popular male singer na sabi ko, "Hi, hello, I'm such a fan." Ay, ako rin po ma'am, nagmano sila. I'm such a fan. Napanood ko kayo sa Oro Plata Mata.
Creepy! That's
Sana
so
hindi na lang
creepy!
sinabi.
Serious na
Oo,
mukha.
sabi ko, but of course.
Sinabi pa talaga. Saan,
Very specific.
Ewan ko kung nagpapawiti. Pero yung henerasyon ko, yung mga barkada ko, kasi they're all from theater, they're all artists, yung ganyan-ganyan. So, ang mga lalaki, medyo, wala ako masyadong na napapansin. Yung mga yung mga gusto ko sana mapangasawan, CEO.
Sila yung mga ganun. Kaya, that explains.
Kasi when they say, I had such a crush on you, sure. I know where you're coming from.
I know what you watch.
Sa mga ibang CEO na sa Netflix po, ang Oro Plata Mata.
Hanggang doon lang kayo.
Pero they blurred it out already in Netflix, most likely.
Really? They blurred it
Maybe,
out?
kasi it's already available. I haven't seen it. I'll watch it.
It's a great movie.
Yeah.
And at that time kasi, Diyos ko, lahat ng mga babaeng si Helen Mirren, may nude scene noon, until hinahangaan siya. So, sabi ko, pwede naman ako mag-Helen Mirren then.
Art film naman siya eh. Hindi siya bastusin.
Sinabi naman sa akin, maghuhubad ako, pero hindi sinabi na,
Full frontal.
ang sabi lang sa akin, lulubog ako sa tubig, tapos may waterfall. Walang waterfall!
Walang filter.
Walang filter. Hindi gumanon yung tubig. Hindi nag-rush. Ayan, nakita lahat. Tapos sa tubig, magnified pa, di ba? Pag yung so pag ahon mo,
Underwater shot? May
Ha?
underwater shot.
Hindi, yung nakalubog ka lang
Okay.
ganon. Tapos may tawag nila, may pumping scene. Pero nakasalawal naman ako. Hindi naman kita sa video yung nakasalawal ako. Pero akala ng lahat ng mga tao, ako'y
Totoo.
napapump.
Well, ang sa scene na yon yung kawawa, yung lalaki.
He came across sa lawal. Oy, very good friend ko yung kumpare ko pa yun.
Pero meron po kayong dinidecline na mga roles or
Meron, maraming.
like what? Yung for example, isa lang.
Una-unang pag binaboy mo na yung babae
Oo,
Yeah,
tama.
yeah.
na walang redeeming.
Yeah.
Oo.
Yung kailangan may redeeming na lalaban siya.
Oo.
Kukuha siya ng
Revenge.
shotgun.
Grabe, shotgun agad.
I love violent movies.
Oo. Well,
I love
yes.
it. Yung avenging movie. Ayoko ng Avengers, pero yung totoong mga justice
Paglalaban.
prevails.
Totoo.
Yung ganon.
Oo.
So, I say no to a lot of roles. Ayoko rin yung you're getting me just because. Yun, yung mga just because. Ayoko nun. Kasi after Oro Plata Mata, for about 3 years, lahat ng offers ko yung, ganon, talagang ganon. Tapos lahat ng photographers, can we have a nude pictorial? Because ganon talaga yung parang, anong tawag dun sa pag nag-YouTube ka at yun yung pinindot mo, yun ang
Algorithm.
klaseng
Algorithm.
Yun. Ganun yung algorithm na nangyayari pag meron kang ginawa.
Parang real-time algorithm.
Oo,
yun.
like recently, yung si Kapitana sa Probinsyano, after that, lahat na lang ng role na offer, bandido. Tinatanggihan ko kasi sabi ko, iba naman.
Oo, tama.
Iba naman.
Typecast.
Oo, kahit na masakit sa wallet. But you have to keep doing
Yes,
that not to be typecast. Nasagot sana yung...
Yeah,
yung
nasagot naman po.
ano,
Actually, yung ibang tanong very similar to that. The difference between before and now.
before and now. Ay, gusto ko silang tanungin, what is your view of now? Kasi hindi ako masyadong exposed doon sa now. Kasi pag nag-show ako, mga kaidaran ko rin yung mga So I'm very happy na I'm learning from you also today.
Oh, speaking.
Panood naman ng shows.
Oo nga.
Of course. 16.
Kailan yan? Basta nyo ako nung schedule
Opo,
ninyo.
I'll
Sige
send
po.
you the schedules.
Tsaka hindi ko sasabihin na pupunta ako para hindi kayo matel.
Oo, kasi, you know what? Alam niyo po kung ano nangyayari pag kunwari, like kayo, oy, pupunta ako sa show nyo, iba na yung kaba namin.
Exactly.
So,
I know
hindi
also
na-
that, you
Oo.
know. Ganun din ako
Hindi na siya normal.
Hindi na
Kami
siya
naman
normal.
isusuka.
May mga times na ganun. Pero, mas maganda yung hindi mo na lang alam kung sinong pupunta and you'll just be yourself.
Exactly. Ako, ang pinakaayoko yung friends sa audience.
Oo,
Gusto
ako
ko
din.
strangers. Diba? Kasi pag friends na parang nagpapa-impress ka pa
Oo.
doon sa
I agree. Lalo kung family.
look at me, nakakatawa ako.
But how are you with your friends? You're also kaaskalog
I'm quiet.
with your friends?
Yeah, I let them do all the talking and
You
then pa chugug-chugug lang minsan. Kasi naman, alam nga naman makipagkompetensya pa ako sa mga kaibigan ko. It's their time to shine.
May point. Tama.
Oo, wag kang mag-perform.
May bayad to.
May bayad to. Ba't naging Chris Aquino na?
Hindi, I have crazy friends. I still have the same barkadas I did in high school.
Saya.
Even if some are all over the world now, we come back, we have reunions, then they leave again.
Makulasa.
Mga kulasa. Oo.
Anong kulasa? What do you mean?
Mga
Saints
taga-Saints
Scholastica.
ko. You performed during our homecoming last year. I'm from batch 98.
Was that Emerald of Us? Yeah, I was the Emerald.
You represented your batch actually.
I know, because nobody was going to, walang gusto mo. Ay, nakakatawa, ganyan-ganyan. Sabi ko, huy, nakakahiya kayo. Kakanta na lang ako, sige, magsayaw kayo sa likod.
Nag-zumba ba?
Mga zumbaera ito. So, was that your batch?
That's our
Oh,
batch.
cool.
Actually, you were referred to me by Berlin Yap. She was the organizer.
Diyos ko, grabe yung kapal na mukha ko doon. Habang may music, nagjujoke ako. Yung talagang yung live streaming lang yung utak mong ganun. Naka-stand up na ako.
Oo, naka-stand up. Kaya, actually, yun yung maganda sa talents nyo. It's like a combination of different skills and then you combine it into one. So, lumalabas yung acting, lumalabas yung pagka-comedian, and then the singing as well. Kasi kami, we don't sing.
Oo.
Try it.
Oo. Ay, pero ako,
Yeah,
nagra-rap.
we do rap. We
Uy, ang
rap.
ganda naman.
May mga
Hindi
bits.
ko kaya mag-rap. Kasi yun, discipline yun eh. It's a different kind of
If
discipline.
you miss one word, mawawala.
Ay, oo. Ilang beses na nangyari sa akin yan
Grabe.
while performing.
Oo. At saka, it's a certain type of poet. Nung pinanood ko yung yung kay Eminem ba yun? Ano ba yun? Yung
8 Mile?
Oo. I didn't realize that yung mga competition ng mga rap ganyan is
Rose
really
ba-
poetry.
Oo, ganda. Oo.
Poetry. Sabi ko, Diyos ko, laglag pa nga
Kasi
ako
may
doon.
rhythm.
Tapos may rhythm. Tapos doon ka lang mag-chat. Para silang nagla-live mic.
Oo, oo.
Di ba?
Freestyle, parang ganun. Mm-mm. So speaking of now, sino po yung mga kakilala? 'Di ba sabi niyo po hindi kayo masyadong sa mainstream sa
Mainstream.
sa ngayon, yung modern Pero sino po yung napanood niyo na ng mga comedians na yung like sila si Amy Schumer, yung mga ganun po, yung from abroad? Meron po ba?
Unfortunately, yung mga kilala ko nga is yung from abroad kasi yun yung
Available
sa
sa
Netflix or sa
Oo, yung kasi I don't go to clubs anymore. Nag-brown out na ako. I started young, so clubbing every night, staggering home, and then doing the show. Then basta yung ganun. So now I see that I still love. They're not so young anymore. I think the cast of SNL.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, alright.
Grabe, yung Saturday Night Live.
Ano pa ba nauna? SNL or yung Super Laugh-Ins?
Super Laugh-Ins was
Wow.
the 70s. Rowan and Martin's Super Laugh-Ins. That was the 60s.
Yeah.
And then Saturday Night Live, they do the same thing.
Yeah, sketch.
They have script reading and then they tape it as live. So
Yeah.
nerve-wracking.
Oo.
Yung talagang ganun. And then Wanda Sykes. I love Wanda Sykes.
Yeah.
Walang filter.
Correct.
Walang filter.
Ang saya.
She will talk about her vagina. Yung mga
Tsaka
ganun-ganun.
may laman din.
May laman kung bumanat
deeper
sa
reason.
gobyerno yan. Tsaka sa mga lalaki. Oo. Pero dumatawa yung mga lalaki. Yung mga,
Na-hurt
yan.
pala sila.
Pero they're not so young, but I haven't seen are there except from you. And you're not so young if you ask me.
We're 40s already.
You're in your
She's young.
40s. Are anybody in
30s.
their 20s and 30s?
Women?
Women?
One at isa.
Yeah. Oo, yeah. 20s. Meron po kami. Like,
A couple.
It takes courage.
yes.
Yeah.
Oo. Pero parang mas matapang po sila ngayon yung Gen Zs. Parang they can do whatever. Parang yun yung tingin ko sa kanila ngayon.
Have you seen any of their work?
Yes. Opo. Oo. Mas sila, driven to go out there.
Really?
Yes.
Sige. Mapanood nga. Oo, Valdez, break out of your
Gusto ko yung kinakausap niya yung sarili.
break out of your bubble. Your comfort zone. Kasi Diyos ko naman kasi. Pagod na ako. I led a very active, interesting life.
Sa tingin niyo po, yung mga Gen Zs, makaka-relate pa rin po ba sila sa mga jokes?
Yeah, I like that question. In my shows in the States, when we tour, the parents bring their kids.
Mm.
And
So, family
sabi
friendly po
nila,
yung-
Mitch, my son would like to meet you. You're awesome. So, sabi ko, nasabihan ako ng awesome ng bata. So, sabi ko, pwede. New audience. And then I had an interview with MJ Felipe just about 2 weeks ago. Sabi niya, you know the challenge, Mitch, mag-isip tayo. A show for you na ang audience Gen Z lang.
Ang saya. Manunood ako dahil Gen Z ako.
Millennial Gen X kaya.
Oo, sabi ko, wow, susuka na naman ako. Mahirap, pero there's nowhere else to go kasi my audience are dying.
Oo nga, no? Kailangan na new audience.
Araw-araw sa Facebook may somebody passes. Oh no! Talaga, it's the age.
Oo, pero
The circle of life, ika nga nila. Kailangan mag-create ng new audience.
totoo. Tapos, all jokes pa rin.
All jokes pa rin.
So they learn more about the
That's
boomers.
generation noon.
Oo. Diba? They hold boomers in such contempt. Diba? They do.
Kasalanan niyo lahat.
Oo. Kung bakit ganito ang mundo? Hi! Kayo, anong ginagawa nyo?
Google.
Oo, Google.
sila.
Ma'am, if there's one lesson you can impart to
Naks.
female comedians, aspiring comedians, ano po yung pwede niyong advice na mabigay?
Aray ko, do you have an hour?
Pero maganda yan, yeah. That's our last topic for
Sige,
this
pag-iisipan
episode.
ko. Pwede bang i-email ko na lang?
Tapos papasahin namin sa next episode.
Ito po sabi ni Mitch.
Uy, sabi niya.
Uy, may part 2 kami. Pero sa email.
Yun lang. Pahabol po ni Mitch Valdez. Ayan, lumuluha na ako. I have an allergy kasi. Kung ano yung nangyayari sa buhay nyo, obserbahan nyo. At sooner or later, pag na-training nyo yung utak nyo na, uy, magagamit ba to sa show? Uy, hindi ba to magagamit sa show? Tapos, lagyan nyo ng, what do you call this? A purpose or a cause.
Yeah.
Because that's where people gravitate to.
Are drawn to, yeah.
Yes, hindi lang yung trial and error, hit and miss. Basta nakakatawa. Bigyan nyo ng purpose, ng direction. Para makatulong din kayo
Yeah.
sa environment ninyo. Tapos, mas tatagal kayo. Kasi, hindi natatapos yung mga causes.
Yeah.
Hindi natatapos yung mga Sabi nga nila, walang war yung generation ngayon. Wala silang pinaglalaban masyado. Kasi kami noon and the ones after us, may pinaglalaban. And that's where the comedy comes in. Naku,
Comedy gold.
Oo, comedy gold. Yung talagang pag may pumalpak na politician, ako, saya-saya.
Party.
Pero yun, you can only do that in a live audience. You cannot rely. Huwag masyadong mag-rely sa, ang tawag doon, sa social media. Sa mga Kasi, kunyari, gusto ka ngayon, tapos, tsaka yung likes, huwag ka masyadong ma-impress sa sarili ninyo sa mga likes na yan. Kasi ang dali magpindot ng like. Tapos bukas, may bago ng ibang dadating.
True.
Di ba? So, nasa na yung likes mo?
Oo.
Ganda.
Yun. So, find a cause, find an issue, find a
For your own
topic.
purpose also.
Yeah, for your own purpose. Tama? Yun.
Hindi lang po panay kababawan na basta tumawa yung audience.
Oh, I
Find
wouldn't
a
want to.
deeper
Yeah,
reason for it.
you can use kababawan to break the ice.
Yeah.
Break the ice, syempre. And then, mamaya after mga 3 minutes, sundutan nyo na ng mga
Yun.
Ng real issues.
ng real,
Totoo.
pagtawanan na natin, lahat ng pumapalpak at nagiging powerful over ourselves.
Yeah.
Yun, yung mga ganun. May galit ka sa mister mo, ilabas mo yan.
Too close to home.
Aray ko. Maging Taylor Swift ka.
Oo nga na yung songs niya.
Tingnan mo, yaman-yaman ng babaeng yun. Kaya takot tuloy manligaw lahat. Hindi. Hindi totoo yun. Invento lang yun ng lalaki.
So, okay.
Yun na yun.
Thank you, Miss
Thank you.
Miss.
Thank you po.
You're welcome. Daldal ko.
Ganda nga eh.
Mula sa kaboses ninyong nakangiti buong episode dahil nagpa-fangirl mode, Jeannie Lakay.
Mula sa kaboses niyong halos hindi nakapagsalita today, Jeannie Cabillas.
Mula sa kaboses niyong I wanna be Miss Mitch Valdez when I grow up. Kami ang
Lady Bosses!
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.